Welcome back. This isn't a video I was truly planning to make, and it wasn't really a video that, I don't know. I guess I'm making this video because this is a very important video to me. Let's make sure I'm in the camera. You're not blinded by my light here. So this is my workstation. This is where every single video's been made. I'm running a pretty comfy dual monitor, 21-inch iMac, 2014 1GB graphics, quad-core i5. This machine here has been spectacular. I give it a hard time, but I have loved every minute I have spent. This is a custom desk I made. It's a U-shaped hanging desk. Or not a U-shape, it's an L-shape, sorry. It is mounted to the wall. There's nothing actually ever touches the ground, so it gives you a lot more like free way to move and do all that good stuff. And then I've got brackets up top here to hang monitors, and I've got my lamp up top here so that I've got good light. But yeah, I've made probably almost 500 videos on this machine right here, and she been good. It still works as good as the day I got it. I ripped it apart the day after I got it, and I put a Samsung SSD in it, but that doesn't matter. It's been a fantastic, amazing, top-notch machine since day one, and it will continue to be. It's being retired, and it's going to be a personal use computer for my father, which once he learns to use a Mac, he'll love it, no doubt. But this is the replacement machine. This is real size too, so you see the size comparison. 2017 iMac, 27-inch 5K. What's the processor on it? Quad-core i5, 3.8 gigahertz, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2 terabyte Fusion drive, which means 2 terabyte storage. 7200 RPM Eco drive on 128 gigabyte solid state, which it prioritizes for frequently used everything, which is great, which means editing will be amazing. As good as my 500 gig was in this, 2+ terabytes is a must, plus an 8 gigabyte Radeon Pro 580 graphics card versus my 1 gigabyte, who knows, does not like 4K at all. But why I'm making this video is because, for me, Apple products are special. My first computer was an Apple. I spent more money than I had in my bank account to get it, and I loved it, and I used it a lot. I started photography, I started making videos, I started everything, which migrated into a MacBook Pro, which I still have. Let me grab that. 2010 MacBook Pro. She flew off my Envoy and hit the seat bracket off the back seat, where I learned to never put these on seats. But again, great computer. Still works like $1 million. But that's not the important part. For me, getting new computers, which happens every 4 to 6 years, depending on my life circumstances, is almost as good as getting new cars. I spend a lot of time with these. I have made money with them now, and they are my tools of creativity and relaxation and everything. These are very important to me. And when you buy a Mac, it is a very special ownership experience. It is not like anything else. You bought a Mac, you bought something different. It's a part of you, and you are a Mac person, and you have an iPhone, and you have all your Apple products, and everything works together really well. I can text and do everything from my computer flawlessly. Like, it is really, really special. So I thought, you know what, why not? Let's do a bit of a tech video. Let's do something a little different, and let's share with you guys getting my first new computer in a long time. And as much as I loved this computer when I got it, it wasn't the computer I really wanted. But this one is. So, I'm pretty excited. Alright. I don't know why I'm so weirdly tall right now, but I can assure you it's never happened before. I've got the computer switched, which was no small feat because, well, you know, it's massive. It's absolutely gigantic. Apple peripherals. This is stuff I've never used. First two computers were laptops. I used everything built in, including the trackpad. second computer was this. I upgraded to this, which is a Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard and a Myonix Nail 7000 mouse. The mouse is the best mouse I've ever used in my life. I kid you not. It is absolutely spectacular. But I'm probably going to switch to a lot of this. This is all the 2.0 stuff. This is the Apple Magic Mouse 2.0. It's like a $140 mouse. It's nice. It's got the trackpad thingy built into it. The keyboard's very nice. You can plug it in and charge it, built-in battery and everything. They've really come a long ways, but I don't know. We'll see, I guess, on what I'm doing. I guess a cleaner work surface would be nice. Now, I'm going to boot this up, and I'm going to try to do a little bit of a video for you guys. But one thing I do when I get new computers is I don't just transfer. You can just click it in iCloud and dump everything in. You accumulate a lot of stuff in 4 years, and I don't reformat my Macs all the time because there's no need to. They run great. You update them regularly, you never have an issue. So I start new. I get a new computer, I get a new computer. I slowly migrate all my files over from one to the other, and then I format the old computer type of deal. So it's going to be a bit of a process for a little bit, but nothing I can't handle. So without further ado, let's boot this. Alright, I'm going to spend some time and set this bad boy up. Thank you everybody for tagging along. If you have any questions about any of this stuff or what I'm using, doing, or trying, just leave it in the comments below. Till next time, take care.